Hello, Running Water Homestead. We are visiting our land after we had a pretty good ice storm. Just wanted to come out here and check out everything. It's just now really melting, so we want to evaluate, if there's any damage or whatnot. So we're just gonna do a walkthrough and check things out. So far we've had 2 cedars leaning. They're both small, no big deal. So everything's looking good so far. So here we come up to the shed and everything's looking good so far.
Nope, the dog can't.
Woo! Well, I was talking about the shed and I just slid. Yeah, dog pen's not looking good. Let's look at the shed first. Did you bring the keys? Yes. All right, we're gonna do a little inspection. So we went inside. It does look like there's a little drop of water, small spot anyways, that some water came in. Couldn't tell where it came from, but I'm sure as we do some more exploring, we'll figure it out. Gonna go check out the dog pens and figure out how bad that is. Oh, do you see that?
Yeah, I knew that was coming down.
Yeah.
I told you that was coming down.
Plus my tree. Yep. Got some tarps that we had up have fallen. And the roof of the dog pens came down. That was our original storage building. Fortunately, we've got most of the stuff out of there. Yep, so we have a little bit of cleaning up to do. So I crawled in through the door, which was stuck, by the way. Took a little bit of convincing to open it up. And this is what it looks like inside. Doesn't look like anything's damaged. Guess we'll find out soon enough.